Hi, this is Luke, Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2010 Mazda BT50, stock number 6841. This ran from 11th 2006 to the 9th 2011. It has a WEAT 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is the WEAT 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front factory 16-inch wheel and tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left rear 16-inch factory element mag with tyre. Left hand tail light. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory element mag with tyre. Right rear door full dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front 16-inch factory element mag with tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, front courtesy light, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.